This is Mick Elliott, contributing editor at Electronic Specifier. I am on the WSr&x stand at Electronica in Munich, and with me is Enrico who is the European Business Development Manager of WSr&x, and he's going to tell us a little bit about WSr&x and their features in supply chain. So, first of all, maybe Enrico, could you just give us a little bit of background on WSr&x and its position in supply chain management?
Hi, Mick. Thanks for your question. Hello, everyone. I'm Enrico from WSr&x. WSr&x was founded in 1999, and we are specialized in distributing electronic components through our global sourcing network and our product range. We support our customers who work in these industries like communication, automotive, aerospace, computing, and consumer electronics. And in WSr&x, our core business we want to separate in three parts. The first one, we are distributing electronic components. The second one, we can support our customers electronic solutions. The third one, we will help our customers to keep their supply chain flexible. And in supply chain management, we act as a trusted partner, providing end-to-end solutions. We will also help our customers to face challenges with several key strategies. Firstly, we can help them to do obsolescence management, and we have global sourcing to do cost control for BOM list and shortage solution, alternative solution, and also handle their excess inventory for do this management. Our goal is to simplify their supply chain while upholding quality and quick response and also sustainability.
So how does WSr&x define supply chain diversification, and what does WSr&x see as the core elements of this concept?
Yes, this is a good question because the supply chain diversification is essentially a strategy to manage the complexities and uncertainties of global market. It emphasizes creating resilience and flexibility with multi-channel, multi-region, multi-product setups. It's very important for us to do that. And in our company, we focus very heavily on supply chain diversification because it's not only about to keep supply chain flexible, we also need to keep our supply chain continuously.
So why is risk management so crucial in what today is a very complex and rapidly changing market?
Well, I think just like you said, today's global market environment is changing incredibly fast. We couldn't imagine how and what will arrive tomorrow. So the risks in supply chain was on the rise. This is a big problem. Like some issues like geopolitical tensions, natural disasters, and material shortages will all can disrupt our customers' production. If these challenges could not be managed promptly, our clients will be seriously affected on their delivery schedules. So that's why the risk management is so critical, because it also helps us to maintain our business stability and avoid unexpected losses.
Can you share some specific examples or data showing how supply chain diversification has strengthened WSr&x's risk management capabilities?
Of course, I'm very pleased to share this example. I want to see one strong example is during global pandemic. Many supply chains faced several serious problems on the supply chain, and especially in certain regions, some component supply cannot be provided. But in WSr&x, thanks to our global sourcing network, we can quickly pivot to our suppliers from multi-regions. So if one area occur disruptions, we can quickly step in from other regions.
So what strategies has WSr&x implemented to achieve supply chain diversification?
Yes, just like before I mentioned, supply chain diversification is very essential for managing uncertainties and ensuring us to keep our global sourcing network and also help our customers to do supply chain more flexible. So we have implemented several key strategies. Firstly, we maintain long-term relationship with our suppliers. So this one is very important to keep us. We have inventory. And the second one, we keep another inventory management named flexible inventory management using our digital platform and WinLink system. So we can do the bond management for our customers, and we can also know what could we do for them. The third one and last one, we stay closely connected with our customers. So we have localized support because we have some warehouses and offices in some key regions like North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. So we can know our clients' needs in advance. This is very good for us to know what should we do next step, and we can do flexible supply plans for them, and also we can help them to avoid some unexpected events.
What challenges has WinSource faced in promoting supply chain diversification, and how have you addressed those?
Yes, to be honest, we have really faced a few challenges during expanding the supply chain diversification. The firstly, because we have different suppliers in different regions, so in different regions there are different regulations and logistics. So it's a problem. But in WinSource, how should we do? We solve this problem with close collaboration with suppliers, that we can finding a flexible solution, alternative solution together that adapt to each market needs. And the second challenge we face is uncertainty. Uncertainty is always here because you couldn't imagine unexpected events. When will they arrive? Like geopolitical issues and some natural disasters, we couldn't imagine that. So, to affect these uncertainties, we can only do the keep global sourcing and expand our global sourcing network. We couldn't keep dependency on a single market. We need to do that dependency on multi-regions. That will help our customers to do that. The third one, last one, I don't think is a challenge, but also is an opportunity, because now increasingly the complex needs from customers, maybe they want to personalize the solutions. In WinSource, we actually very welcome, because that we can monitor the market trends from our customers' needs, so we can do some strategies in advance. And when the customer they want and they have some ideas, we can do personalized solutions, and we do flexibility very well.
Okay. So how does WinSource see the future trend of supply chain diversification, and what plans does WinSource have in this area going forward?
Yes, for WinSource, from our side, the supply chain diversification is more and more important, because now there are so many complexities and uncertainties and also some risk. So we need to manage the diversification. It's not just about spreading risks, but also we need to diversify different suppliers, different products, and multi solutions. So the supply chain diversification will be more important. And from our part, we will keep considering on our customers' needs. And moving forward, we are committed to know more inquiries and do more plans and advancing the supply chain diversification.
Okay. Enrico Hu, thank you very much.
Thank you.